It's too small. I need a big. Anasema labda saa 8. Saa 8.
KFS, we thank you very much. And we look forward to partnering even further to ensure that these seedlings grow to mature trees, and also we ensure that every space is covered.
Kenya Forest Service niretekeririo kuruta marua ma gutema miti ona marua ma transport bao kuria mundu arenda gutwara guthi kwendia no jende ndimwire kwina mutaratara uria mwagirire ni kurumirira nigetha muhote kuheo permit.